Hello, my dear friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Learning Vibe. So today we are going to learn about the lead tool, which is known as Heijunka. So what is meant by Heijunka and how it is being used in manufacturing sector? We are going to study everything in detail. So let us start the video. So in this video, we are going to learn about what is meant by Heijunka, then what are the methods of leveling production, what is meant by Heijunka box, and at last we are going to see about what are the different benefits as well as limitations of this lead tool. So let us start the video. So first let us understand what is meant by Heijunka. Heijunka, it is a Japanese word which simply means as a production leveling. The English meaning of or the English translation of the word Heijunka is production leveling, which aims to achieve a steady and the balanced production flow. So this lean tool basically deals with having and achieving a steady as well as a balanced production flow in your line. By smoothing out the demand fluctuations, Heijunka minimizes waste and enhances the productivity and the quality. By properly leveling the output, by properly leveling the line, leveling the products and everything, and keeping all the demand fluctuations, Heijunka helps us to minimize the waste as well as improve the productivity as well as quality in your line, in your manufacturing sector. So it is simply a production leveling the proper production in each line. It is nothing but Heijunka. So basically, as I already explained you earlier, the term Heijunka comes from the Japanese word which literally means leveling. We have to level the things, we have to steady the things. Heijunka is a lean tool for reducing the unevenness in the production process and minimizing the chance of overburden. Yeah, it is a very important lean tool which helps to minimize the uncertainties in the production process. Whatever the unevenness is there, like whatever the fluctuations are there. For example, one line is producing 100 pieces output one day. Second day it is producing 400 pieces. Third day it is producing 200 pieces. So whatever the fluctuations are there, whatever the unevenness are there, it has to be leveled, and this leveling is nothing but this leveling is done with the help of this lean tool, so that there will be minimum chances of overburden on every line. It can help you to react to the demand changes and utilize your capacity in the best possible way. So it helps you to deal with your demand changes and utilize and use all your capacity, all your resources in the best possible way you can. By implementing Heijunka, you can stop producing work in batches and start producing orders according to the customer demand. Yeah, if we see our traditional work culture, traditional manufacturing setup, that it is being produced in batches. The outputs, all the pieces are being produced in batches. So with the help of Heijunka lean tool, we can stop producing the work in different batch culture, and we can simply start processing all the order or producing all the order according to customer demand, customer needs and requirements. This is the simple definition of Heijunka, and Heijunka is basically deal with three different aspects. First is predictability, second is flexibility, and third is stability. So these are the 3 points which connect the Heijunka. So it is also one simple pictorial representation of what is meant by Heijunka. As I already mentioned you earlier only, it simply means leveling the production or leveling the load. So if you can see simple definition or simple example I have shown. As we all have heard of one famous story of tortoise and hare, where we all learn how slow and steady win the race. In the same way, we have to prove that if we will level our production, then in very slow and steady manner, we can go ahead and we can achieve our production and achieve our goals very systematically. Next, we are going to learn about what are the different methods of leveling the production. There are some of the important methods of leveling the production. So what are they? So first, we have to level. There are two methods, leveling by volume and leveling by product. So first, we are going to learn about leveling by volume. So, leveling by volume in Heijunka means altering your production process according to the volume of orders you receive. So, according to what volumes of order I receive of the particular orders, in that way I can level, in that way I can set the line, I can level everything. Next is, for example, say you run a car manufacturing company and you receive 1,000 orders of petrol cars per month. However, the number of orders you receive fluctuates by week. One week may see you fulfilling 200 orders, while the next sees you fulfilling 500 orders. So, now these are the simple example. For example, if a car manufacturing company receives an order of 1,000 orders per month, but in per week they have to there is demand fluctuation. They have to give different number of cars per week. So according to number of cars they have to deliver per week, they can level the production process. So leveling by volume means you would pay attention to overall volume per month and produce your cars accordingly. A simple solution would be produce 250 cars every week, ensuring that your monthly number is fulfilled. As I already told you, monthly they have to give 1,000 per month. So weekly they can level their production by 250 cars per week. So accordingly they have level volumes. Whatever 1,000 pieces are there, they have leveled the volumes, and accordingly they will go production. Second is leveling by product. So Heijunka is applicable when you are managing a portfolio of products as well. This lead tool is also very much effective and applicable if you are dealing with a variety range of products. So the principle stays the same. You create enough of each good to meet average customer demand for the product portfolio. For each product range, you have to produce a minimum number of, or that optimized number of products so that you can meet your customer demands. So, if for example, if you get 10 orders per week for product A, 2 orders for product B, 5 orders for product C, and 3 orders for product D on average, then you have to calculate, you have to level by product. So, as per the requirement of each and every product and its volume, you have to level by product category. So, this is the simple definition of how we have to level by product and how we have to level by volume. Next is, what is Heijunka Box? So this is nothing but whatever the pictorial diagram it is representation over the screen is a Heijunka box. So it is much like a Kanban. It is much correlated with the Kanban. A Heijunka box is a scheduling tool used to visualize the work item that needed to be completed to meet your average customer demand. Basically, it is a system that visualizes your order. It is a visualization tool where you have to visualize which order has to be completed at what time. So here you can see that the horizontal rows represent the product portfolio. See, in this horizontal row, all the product A parts are there, product B parts, product C, product D, product E, and vertical columns represent the days. Like on Monday, you have to produce one like 1,000 pieces of type A, 2,000 because it is a 2,000 of type B, 1,000 of type C, 1,000 of type D, and you don't have to produce type E product on Monday. So like this, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. For every week, which category of products you have to produce in what volume, that is being represented in this Heijunka box. Hope आप लोगों को समझ में आया हो friends. Now let us understand what are the benefits of this lead tool. So it helps to first minimize the lead time, which is very important, as well as helps in minimizing the inventory and cost, and ultimately improve the customer satisfaction. These are some of the important benefits of Heijunka lead tool. Then what are the limitations of Heijunka? After understanding the benefits, now let us understand the limitations. So limitations include Heijunka trades inventory or lead time for stability. Heijunka has to deal with inventory and the lead time for particularly stability purpose. Heijunka limits the rapid adjustment. Whatever the rapid adjustment we can do, it has limitation because of this Heijunka lead tool. It requires very high discipline, industrial discipline, and can be handle moderate variation demands only. Whatever the moderate variations are there in demand, we can handle that much only. large inventory of finished goods will be there because of this lean tool, and work standards should be followed all the time. To run this lean tool successfully, we should follow all the work standard properly. So that's all my dear friends. आज के लिए इतना ही. होप आप लोगों को ये लीन टूल समझ में आया होगा. तब तक के लिए till then like, follow and subscribe my YouTube channel The Learning Mind, and I will see you in my next video, and keep be happy and keep learning. Thank you.